Who is this?
It's my mother now.
It's your mother. What happened? Why is she like this?
Yeah, yesterday I go burial. My friend burial. So we come there now. This yesterday I come and say, okay, this morning she withdraw money from me. Now I can buy clothes. Let's go for the burial. She say, okay. This early in the morning, before I wake up, she don't come out. Say she dey go the burial. She go the burial. Once I say, out of the money I say, make him withdraw, let's go for the burial. She say she no go withdraw for me. I say, you friend burial, how it okay, you know man no go. She no talk anything. I said, okay now, make it withdraw now. Me no be say as I go that side now, I no come go the main burial. So I can't say, okay, then she can't say she'll go withdraw. I can't do that. She can't go withdraw 20,000. I can't wake up from sleep where I sleep. Come meet her, say, and she give me money. She carry 10,000, give me. I say 10,000. Waiting, I can't the reason the money. Say 10,000. Which place I feel go buy clothes? Or say I feel I go there. I say okay. You know, if you buy, I can't work out the liver. She can't insult me. They cost me. They tell me my maid they work. My maid they work. I say my mate work. I say if my maid they work, I can't ask you for money. He say no. So I made the work, so I'll go find me. I come and say, me, I'll go find my own problem, they worry me. I want to go find my own problem, they worry me. I'll go find out for real. I don't, this problem now, you don't work out all the whole place for all the, you don't go psychiatry for Abia State. You know
go straight to the point, what happened?
So now, so we come there, I think anger, she can't insult me, I can't work anger, she can't insult me.
After giving me 10,000 naira.
She don't give me the 10,000.
Yes.
So now when she don't ask, she don't make me better, I can't hit her.
She hit them. What did you hit them?
The whole now, I go tell you like.
Why she there when you hit them?
She will dey here now for this house now for kitchen, yeah, where we dey, where she want to prepare food. That I say.
Now for this house, where she prepare food. So he no give me 10,000. That's why he carry home.
You know say he no give me. Me, I no be say he no give me 10,000. No be the money I want collect.
Now 20,000 you want collect.
Bank they withdraw 30,000. So she can't tell me she collect money from me. So she can't go now.
The money is it your money?
More money.
But she go withdraw for you. Oh, their own money.
Their own money.
She go to withdraw here for you.
Every time she withdraw for me, she can't go withdraw 20, can't hide 10, can't hide 10. Say when I use, I can't say how time I use 10,000. Do my, I come and live. I don't go the burial again now. My she can't do the insult me, they cost me. They don't talk. I don't talk. I don't tire. I say everything there now. Man, me say me the anger come out now. I finish am. Me never go be say my whole life end like that because I don't dey here. I don't dey here. Sir, now that life is here, I dey here. Life I won't die. Yo. So I dey here 30 years. I don't dey here 30 years. I get spiritual problem. 30 years. I don't move all the whole thing, waka, all the whole waka. As I dey here, as I dey there, now. As I dey like this, now it keep me like this. I'm supposed to finish my school. I run for my school.
So let me ask you a question. Why do you say I wanted to go and withdraw your own money for you?
See. More account. I get spiritual problem. I go open account. So my my BVN, I don't want to do them. She forced me to go do. I go do them. So as I did have the people come they worry me. So I go.
So let's go. What is your name?
Also Sagode.